So we'll tell you how the bio block looks. So it comes in packing like this, and then we can open this pack like this. So this is a rubber bio block. So it is designed so that the urinal splash doesn't spill over. Now in this bio block, it is properly locked. It can go and get fixed in the urinal, and when you can open it like this, there are locks inside. So inside the block there is inside the starch packing there is a bio block of 90 grams. So this can be refilled also. We can give this as a refill also, and this is placed over the bio block. And for example, you have to replace a new block. So this casing will stay forever. This has a indefinite shelf life. It will not get spoiled. It is a rubber thing. It also is very good when you want to remove single-use plastic from your organization. So that is why we have introduced a rubber screen. And then you place this block. This starch film will dissolve on its own, and this is the packing. So this gets interlocked, and then you can replace it. This is placed in the urinal, and it works for about 1700 flushes. 1700 usages can be done using this block. That period may last about 20 days or maybe 30 days depending upon your usage. That's it.